Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. The webcam overlooking Table Bay towards Cape Town indicates that the famous tablecloth is currently present over Table Mountain, and this is always an indication that the southeasterly wind is blowing across the peninsula. We're expecting that wind to pick up this evening when it's going to become fresh to strong for most parts of the mother city. Now, on our satellite loop, we see that it was a cloudy morning over the southern parts of the country, particularly in the Eastern Cape. There may have been light rain in places, and a couple of thunder showers persisted overnight over the central interior, and we're moving through the northwest as well as parts of the Free State earlier this morning. Now, for the rest of today, we're going to see those thunder showers redeveloping across the central and eastern parts, scattered storms on the Highveld and down the Drakensberg, significant rainfall possible in places, and it's going to remain quite cloudy over the Eastern Cape, where there will still be a chance for light rain or drizzle. Now, tomorrow we'll bring those thunder showers once again across the central parts of South Africa, scattered in Gauteng. Light morning rain possible along the east coast and the adjacent interior, and it's going to be a cloudy and cooler day in the Lowveld for Thursday. Sunshine set to continue over the northern and western Cape. Now, for the rest of today, we're still expecting scattered thunder showers from Polokwane into Gauteng, all the way down to parts of the Eastern Cape interior. Widespread thunderstorms possible over northern KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, and the southern parts of Mpumalanga. Isolated for Bloemfontein as well as much of the northwest, still some light rain possible over the southern parts of the country, including around the Outeniqua Mountains. Moving ahead now to the alerts, and the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for the possibility of localized urban flooding over Gauteng as well as the Eastern Free State, and the second watch is for the possibility of heavy rainfall taking place today over the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where more than 50 millimeters may fall within the next 24 hours. Now, you can expect mainly light wind conditions for the interior of the country, moderate along the coastline, although that southeasterly wind will be fresh at times for Cape Town, becoming strong by this evening. Here we can see the effects of the cloud cover over the Eastern Cape, keeping things cool in the lower 20s. A warm day for Johannesburg at 25, while Uppington in the Northern Cape will be hot once again at 37. And temperatures remain quite high overnight once again, well into the teens for most areas. 16 degrees as an overnight low for Bloemfontein, Johannesburg, as well as Cape Town and George, while temperatures remain above the 20-degree mark in Durban and Richards Bay. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see thunder showers once again in Gauteng. Pretoria gets to a high of 27. Sunny skies for Sutherland at 29. And on Friday, a little bit of light rain will be possible for George and Port Elizabeth, and Cape Town will be cooler at 23.